Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an oil change on the John Deere 330, which of course has a 3-cylinder Yanmar liquid cooled diesel engine, and we've also of course got a filter, oil filter, and some 15W40 heavy duty diesel engine oil. And I've got my drain pan under the tractor. Your drain plug is right here. Right there. So I'm going to remove that. Get my ratchet in there. There we go. And we're just going to let the oil drain out. I honestly have no clue when this tractor last had an oil change. When I bought it, the owner said he had recently changed the oil, but that can mean anything. So oil was beginning to get a little dark. Alright, that's draining. We'll go ahead and remove the filter, which of course is right there. Hopefully it won't be very stuck. Might be a little hard now that I've got oil all over my hands. Let's see. There we go. Alright, got the filter off. And always, when you do any oil change for that matter, and you change the filter, make sure that this gasket is around the filter when you take it off, because if you leave it on the engine, then put your new filter on, you're going to have oil. As soon as you start the engine, oil is just going to start squirting out of here. You're going to lose all your oil. That might not be so good, especially if you're in a car and you're driving it down the road. So anyway, so I think we're about all drained. And we're, as I previously said, we're using 15W40, and John Deere calls for 2.5 liters. So got two choices. You can add it here. There's another place up here. I would do this one. I always use this one, but I don't think it matters. Anyway, alright, well, we're going to start adding oil back. We're going to reinstall the drain plug. Make sure you don't drop it in your drain pan. Have to go fishing. I'll find a hole here. There it is. Make sure it's somewhat clean. Alright. Now I will say this should be torqued to whatever John Deere specified, but just for demonstration purposes I'm just going to tighten it by hand. And it doesn't take much torque on these bolts here. That's good. It's tight. Alright. So next we'll install our new filter. And gaskets on there. And you don't tighten oil filters any more than what you can get by hand. Just hand tighten them. And if you want to, you can grip it with a rag or something, or in my case a paper towel, to get it a little tighter. And that should be good. And now we're going to start adding oil. Alright guys, so this oil bottle has 3.78 liters. And if it was at 3.5, we would go down to 1 liter. But the 2.5 liter is without the oil filter. So we need a little bit more. I'm going to pour down to about probably between the 1.5 and the 1. Then we'll check our oil level and see what we're at. You know what, guys? I think I will use the other one. I use this one just if I have to ever add oil to it. Use the top one. That's just a little messy. If you pour too fast, you have oil come out the valve cover top, just like I just did. So make sure you don't overfill it. Well, I didn't actually overfill it, but I poured it too fast. Alright. We're waiting for that oil to go down into the engine. I have to give this tractor a good wash. Alright, we have about 1 more liter to go. Still waiting for that oil to go down in that engine. You can hear it going down. Alright, I think we're ready to add some more. Alright guys, we're about where we need to be. So we need to wait for the oil to fully wait for it to go through the engine. Don't want to start it right after you finish adding the oil because it hasn't all made its way down into the oil pan. So we're going to wait a few minutes. This is a good time to finish wiping up some of this oil. Just have to use this tractor real good after I'm done. Alright guys, let's check the oil level, or see if it's gone down. Alright. Let's go look at the dipstick. You don't want to overfill a diesel because it will start burning its own crankcase oil. And that will not be good. Alright. I think we're full, guys. I think we're full. Let's crank her up. And of course you're going to want to let it run for a little bit and then you check your oil level again. Alright guys, this is an oil change of the John Deere 330. Thanks for watching. See everybody later.